If you want to summarize several reports, you can use the Views function. To do this, call up the Views item in the reporting menu and create a new view using the floating action button. Assign a name and select from standard filters for regular weekly or monthly reports, or create a view according to user-defined criteria. While you can select from all the criteria and features of a campaign on the left-hand side, the campaigns to which the current settings apply are displayed on the right-hand side. Here is an example. Delivery time within the year 2023. The name contains the word app, and only campaigns of the type default campaigns should be included. Then save your entries. Views are always dynamic. Campaigns are added to a view if they fulfill the set criteria. If you call up the view, the individual campaigns are displayed one below the other in the familiar reporting structure and can be selected individually. The tabular structure makes it quick and easy to compare the results. While such views can be called up permanently via the menu item, it is possible to add campaigns to a temporary view via the reporting list. This means that campaigns can be compared quickly and easily, both spontaneously and without similarities. These temporary views are initially only available at the moment of creation, but can then be saved as a permanent view using the floating action button.